the sentence. Once again, the S doesn't appear in there, but you still would maintain the genders and plural, the number and all of that. Yeah, let's go through the last bunch here. She likes cookies. Ismale brisky. So these are all ones with some nouns in there. Do you like them? On Maliat Ied. We don't like apples. Nimaling ula. Don't they like the weather? Nach Malio an Amshir. Remember, on Amshir is the weather, so nach Malio, don't they like on Amshir? I like sunny days. Ismalium lehente greenwater. So lehente are days. Greenwater is sunny, but you use the plural form of the adjective lehente greenwater. The police don't like thieves, strangely enough. Ni ma lesh nagardi gadiha. So, ni ma lesh nagardi, with the police. It's not good with the police. Gadiha. So once again, the thing that you like or don't like ends up going at the end of the expression here. And the last one, don't the children like cookies? Nach ma lesh napashti brisky. Okay, are there any questions, or I'll try and squeeze in a little bit of vocabulary and stuff before the break. So let's go over the vocabulary real quick so we can get back to the guy who likes his French fries. So here are some things that you may or may not like. So pretty much all of these are food things until you get down the end. So some things you may or may not like. We have cookies are brisky. Candies are milshine. And that's plural, by the way. So is brisky. Chocolate is shakloy. Fruit is tori. Strawberries are suha taloon. Vegetables are glossary. Potatoes are prati. Meat is fiol. Beef is martiol. Pork is muikyol. And lamb is wenyol. You'll notice they all have a similar ending to fiol because they're compound words. So fiol is in there. Chicken is shikin. Ham is liawas. Fish is iask. Fries are shkalog. Ice cream is uchter roche. And now here we have some drinks. Hot chocolate is shakloij he. Remember, che is hot. Shakloij is feminine, as you'll see on the first list of food items. So it aspirates the adjective shakloij he. Okay, so milk is banya. Orange juice, su orashta. Beer, bjor. Wine is fian. Lemonade is limonage. Water is ishka. And whiskey is ishkabaha. Which literally means the water of life. Actually, I believe it is from the Irish word ishka for water. That's where the word whiskey comes from. Ishka. And here we have a few other food items at the end. Food generally is bia. So Italian food is bia idalach. Chinese food is bia shinyach. Indian food, bia injach. And Mexican food, bia mexicach. And at the end here I have a few non-food items. I'll just go over those quick. So movies are scanine. Books are liawer. Cars are karana. Clothes are adi. And sports or sport in general is sport. Okay, so why don't we go back to the conversation chart. And the one down the bottom of the first page, I have it as introductions. So the person here is introducing themselves and saying who they are and what they like. So, hello, Gia Rich. I'm James. Is Misha Seamus? I like fries. Is Malyam Shkaloga? Now the reason I have Seamus and Shkaloga underlined there is I want everybody here to do this, but replace your Seamus's name with your own name, and then just grab something off the list here that you like. It doesn't have to be food either. There's a couple of things at the bottom. If you like the sports or something, you can always say that. So who to start with? Chris, you look like you want to start.
It's Misha Christor. It's Malyam Wenyol.
Okay, Ismail Lesh Wenyol. He likes lamb. Okay, come on. Who was that? Kevin, were you asking? Or?
Oh, no.
Oh, I thought you were volunteering. So who wants to go next? Bob, do you want to try it?
Dievich is Misha Robert is Malyam Surasta.
So did everyone hear that? Ismailium su orashta. I like orange juice. Ty, do you want to try it?
Oh, okay.
If you're ready.
Dievich is Misha Tim, or Ty. Ismailum Shaklod, Shaklodge, Uthor Rocha.
Oh, Ukhtar. Okay, that would probably be Ukhtar. Yeah, Ukhtar Rocha Shakloid.
Oh, yeah, the chocolate, the type of ice cream at the end.
Right, and at the end, so Ukhtar Rocha would be ice cream. Chocolate is Shakloid. So to say chocolate ice cream, it would be Ukhtar Rocha Shakloidja. There's an E that comes at the end. It's called the genitive case. It means ice cream of chocolate. So chocolate is Shakloid, but of chocolate is Shakloidja. So that's why you have to put that little E at the end.
Is that what lemonade has? Oh no. So it would go okay.
Right. So if you wanted to, for example, a glass is glinya. Right. So a glass is glinya. Lemonade is limonoid. So a glass of lemonade would be glinya limonoidja. Right. Yeah. Okay. Do you want to try your introduction while you're at it?
Jared is Misha Melania. Is Malyam beer.
Okay. It's Malay beer. She likes food. Who doesn't? Julianne, do you want to try?
Sure. Jared is Misha Julianne. Is Malyam Milshoin.
Okay. So it's Malay Milshine. She likes candy. Ian?
Jigwich is Misha Ian. Is Malyam Bior.
Okay. So it's Malesh Bior. He likes beer. Francesca, I think I skipped you, didn't I?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry about that.
Jewish is Misha Francis. It's small. Now, if I'm going to do two things, I would say it's small.
The small liom.
The
I like.
small liom. Chache August Brisky.
So what was that? What was the first one?
Chache. Hati.
Oh, te che.
Teche.
Right.
Teche, sorry.
Te che.
August Brisky.
Okay, so it's Malay. She likes.
Malay.
Yeah. Well, you said long because you were saying.
Well, I was trying to say lay, but.
Oh, okay. So I'm talking about you. It's Malay. She likes te che, hati, August Brisky, and cookies. Okay, come on. Carrie, it was your turn.
Gia Glitch is Misha Carey. Is Malyam Yaller.
Ismail Liawer. So Ismail, she likes Liawer, books. So, Dermot?
Jigwich is Misha Dermot. Ismailium Bier August Fiel.
Okay, so Ismail Lesh, he likes Bjor August Fien, beer and wine.
At the same time?
Doesn't
been a
sound
long
like a
day.
good combination.
August Whiskey.
He's Irish. He's Irish.
So is anyone, Kevin, did you want to try one before we take the break? Then?
Is Misha Keating, is Malyam Scannon.
Okay, so Ismail Lesh Skunine. So he likes movies. It's down the bottom. Right, Skunine. So the singular Skunon would be a movie, but the plural is Skunine with that little I at the end. Okay. Was there anyone else I had missed? Or
No.
No?
Smigler Road.
Okay. So why don't we have a break now, and if